What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you one tip to help you reduce fat faster for a longer period of time. Now most of you guys who follow me are natural, who are who stay away from anabolic steroids. So for us, getting to that 10% body fat or under 10% body fat can be, most of the people cannot achieve that, for various reasons, because your body is not meant to be under 10% body fat, especially when your body is trying to stay healthy, right? Your body always will do what is natural for your body. So for the natural thing for your body is to have some fat which can be used in any emergency situations, especially when you're ill or something, right? So this tip basically is called NEAT. So what is NEAT? NEAT stands for non-exercise activity thermogenesis. So what basically you're doing is you're doing any activity other than going to the gym, working out, doing cardio, sports, or any kind of activity that you usually do. Now let me give you an example of myself. Okay, I have Shreyas, I have Ralston. Ralston is my friend. Okay, so Ralston tends to burn more calories in a day, even though we have similar work. Now I sit in front of the computer all day working on videos, clients or whatnot. Even Ralston does the same thing. He works throughout the day, and so the calories that he must be burning and I must be burning must be same, right? But no, his need is more than mine. So what need actually stands for is that you're doing any activity or you're increasing the number of steps you do in a day to overall burn more calories in a day. Now if you're burning 2500 calories with you're eating food or your BMR and even activity like exercise, then you can add like 200 to 300 calories in a day just by increasing your need. So what I do is, my activity level is just I'm basically sedentary throughout the day. So but for Ralston, he walks his dog Louis 3 times a day. So when he walks his dog Louis 3 times a day for like 15 minutes each, so that there he's getting 45 minutes of extra activity, right? So that is what basically NEAT is. He can actually sit inside the house, right? But he's walking his dog 3 times a day, even if it's not necessary. So he's doing 15 minutes in the morning, afternoon or evening and late night. So there he's burning extra calories. So for him, overall in a week, he might be burning like 1000 calories more than say me. So even if he's eating the same amount of food as me, or everything is same, but for him the NEAT is more. So the number of steps he's doing in the day is actually more. So trust me guys, to get under 10% body fat, it is almost impossible for 90% of the people naturally. But if you want to be in that 10% of the population who wants to get under 10% body fat without the use of any exogenous hormones, then I suggest you increase your NEAT. NEAT can be anything, like 10 minutes of walk in a day, like twice a day, like in the morning and in the night. Walking instead of, or climbing stairs instead of taking an elevator or an escalator or whatever, right? So all these things actually matter in the long run. In the short term, it doesn't actually matter. In 1 week you won't see any changes, but in the long run, right, when you're trying to lose as much fat as possible from your body, and eventually you will not be able to reduce a lot of calories from food, right? Now when you are dieting for like 20 weeks, you must be eating like 1800 calories by the end of 20 weeks. But if you get lower than 1800, 1700, 1600, it's actually hard for you, right? Your body body will just shut down, your metabolism will just shut down. So NEAT is something which will prevent your body from shutting down its metabolism. You can eat a little bit extra food, and your fat loss will continue for a longer period of time. So NEAT is basically just doing extra work throughout the day. Like for example, the farmers, the carpenters, all these people, even if they work out, they will have they'll be burning more calories, they'll be expending more calories throughout the day, because their activity is such. They are moving their hands, they're walking in the farm or whatever, right? So a person like that will have a better NEAT than you. So what I would recommend is get 10,000 steps every single day. Initially when you're losing fat, it's very easy, okay? Trust me, if you're like 30% body fat, initially it's really easy to lose fat, but after that, that is when the real test starts. Like when you reach 15% body fat, I've seen so many people losing a lot of fat, but after that 15% they can't do that. So improve your NEAT. 10,000 steps in a day. Get a step what do you call, I think it's called a pedometer or something, or that Mi Bands or whatever, or any smartwatch or whatever. Even your LG phone might have. My LG phone has, you know, an app which tracks my steps. So try to do at least 10,000 and do it for a week. Like just check your steps for a week. If you're doing at an average of 5,000 steps, it means your NEAT is not at all good. So 10,000 steps is actually recommended. So instead of, if you're trying to, you know, if your gym is in the third floor, then just take, you know, stairs. I see so many people taking the elevator, and you know, for no reason. You're coming to the gym, just take the stairs, right? So all these things will burn actually 250 to 300 calories extra in a day, and that will be a lot, you know, in the long run. That will be a lot. So this is the simple advice I wanted to give you guys for people who are trying to, you know, reach that next level without hurting their metabolism, right? So I hope this tip was important for you, and it is nothing, it's just common sense, but I just wanted to give you this concept. Okay, so your body will burn more calories, release more heat, and eventually, your metabolism will stay normal. So you can't keep on reducing food, guys. And cardio also, you just can do only so much cardio without going catabolic, right? So if you do 1.5 hours of cardio, your body will break down muscle. So for that not to happen, you can do all these kinds of things. So NEAT, just think NEAT, you can lose fat in a neat way. So thanks a lot for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to watch next. And if you're looking for some online coaching, you don't have to, but if you want some personal assistance, visit shreyaskamar.com. If not, I still like you guys, and subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell button, okay, so that you get notified whenever this man uploads a video. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace out.